Okay, Zeke, we're set to go. Today's session is going to be on cutting pliers. These are both, um, you can use them to turn a screw or you can cut things with them. So, this is not a promo or anything like that. We don't represent any particular company, yeah. But if you would, Zeke, just talk a little bit about. Oh my God, what is that? Zeke, did you see that? What? They're, they're coming. Who's coming? The women. You should make them welcome. Uh, everybody, hi. How are you? Oh my God, this is wonderful. Come right in. Come right in.